In 2006, a young man was found in a confused state in the Ukrainian capital, wearing old-fashioned clothes, with an old camera lying in his garden. Initially thought to be a madman, he was soon revealed to be part of a time travel story. The man introduced himself as Sergei. When the police asked for his ID, it was issued by a country that no longer existed, the Soviet Union. Ukraine was once part of the Soviet Union, and 2 decades had passed since its dissolution. The police were baffled. Sergei appeared to be 20 to 25 years old, yet his ID showed a date of birth in 1932. When asked for the current date, Sergei replied, April 23, 1958, leading the police to believe he was mentally unstable. They took him to a mental hospital, where Dr. Babla Trifecta examined him. Sergei recounted that he had gone for a walk to take photographs when he saw a strange object in the sky. He claimed to have taken a photo of it with his camera. The doctor was intrigued but skeptical when he saw the camera, a Yashica Flex, which was in surprisingly good condition despite being outdated, as the film used was discontinued in the 1970s. Expert Adam Poison Rami examined the camera roll, discovering it was manufactured in 1956. Upon developing the photographs, the results were perplexing. The images depicted old scenes of Kyiv, vehicles, buildings, and even Sergei with his girlfriend in front of a now demolished building. The last photo showed an unidentified flying object. The evidence was compelling, leading the doctor to consider the possibility of time travel. However, Sergei mysteriously vanished from the hospital room, leaving behind only the camera, photographs, and his bizarre story. Further investigation revealed that a person named Sergei Ponomarenko had indeed disappeared in 1960, and the woman in the photographs was located. Now 70, she confirmed that Sergei had vanished in 1958 but returned briefly before disappearing again in 1960. Years later, she received a photo of Sergei with a note dated 2015, showing him in a city dominated by skyscrapers, stating he would return soon, though he never did. This intriguing story aired on a Ukrainian TV show and quickly went viral. However, the question remains, is it true? To explore this, we must consider whether time travel is genuinely possible. While we all experience time moving forward, the concept of time travel was first introduced by Albert Einstein in his theory of special relativity. According to this theory, time does not pass at the same rate for all observers, it depends on the speed and mass of the object. For instance, if we were to travel in a spaceship at the speed of light for 5 years and return to Earth, only 5 years would have passed for us, while 36 years would have elapsed on Earth. This phenomenon is known as time dilation. In 1971, an experiment involving atomic clocks on planes demonstrated this effect, showing discrepancies in time due to their speeds. Another aspect of time travel relates to gravity. Einstein's theory suggests that time passes more slowly in stronger gravitational fields. This was confirmed in a 2010 experiment where atomic clocks at different heights showed slight variations in timekeeping. If we were near a black hole, time would pass significantly slower compared to Earth. While theoretically possible, practical time travel remains elusive. Creating a spacecraft capable of light-speed travel is currently beyond our reach, and accessing a black hole is impractical, as the nearest one is over 1,500 light-years away. As for Sergei's story, it aired in 2012 on a Ukrainian show called Aliens, specifically in the episode Time Traveler. However, inconsistencies arose, such as a CCTV video timestamp showing a Wednesday, April 23, 2006, which was actually a Sunday. Additionally, the stamp on Sergei's ID appeared to be inconsistent with authentic Soviet stamps. The 2015 photo also raised suspicions of being photoshopped, as many buildings looked similar. Despite the captivating narrative, the police records related to the incident were absent, and Dr. Babla Trifecta's name could not be found online. Many believe the story was fabricated for ratings. The confusion surrounding time travel often stems from the notion that if future travel is possible, so should past travel be. However, the scientific community largely agrees that past time travel is implausible due to paradoxes it creates. In 2009, Stephen Hawking hosted a party for time travelers, inviting anyone from the future to attend, which further illustrated the impossibility of past time travel. In conclusion, while the concept of time travel is fascinating and theoretically supported by science, practical applications remain unattainable. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to sharing more intriguing topics in future videos.